मैं ना आपको एक चीज बताती हूँ कि समोसा खा लो।
नहीं भाई तुम नहीं।
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We all have people who smile with us, but only few stand with us. Some people entered in our life as friends but leave as lessons. Today we are talking about how people are different in reality. If you want to know how people treat you inside, then just remove your usefulness and see who are still with you, connect with you. That's your real circle. Real people, real in front of you and as well as behind you.
So guys, I'm going to recite a one story over here. Maybe you guys could connect with that. There was a person who loved to being surrounded by many people, not for noise but for warmth. So life moved on. Some days were nicer, some days were not. And you know what? Over the time, people walked away. I mean, no complaints, no fights. Just they have had some different paths, but a few stayed, not because they had to, because they wanted to. So that moment, person realized one thing: कि real people do not shout. They support you quietly. It's not needed to be surrounded by many people. It's very necessary to be surrounded with right ones. So always choose quality over quantity.
Exactly. What she said, that you don't need a group of peoples to be as like friends. Like you can also even have peoples you can count on your fingers, 1, 2, 3. It is that key what kind of peoples you choose.
Yeah, I mean, let me tell you one thing: कि real people are those who accepts you the way you are, who accepts you with all your flaws you have. If you are adapting some changes because of somebody else, because that person wants you in certain way, I mean, that's so pathetic, guys. You can fool yourself till some extent, not for lifelong, being somebody else that you are not.
Stay the way you are. The real friendships are like those who can also call out your mistakes and can also appreciate your right things. दोस्त हमेशा ऐसे होने चाहिए कि आपकी गलती पर आपको कॉल आउट कर सके और आपकी सही चीजों पर आपको अप्रिशिएट भी कर सके. It is very important to understand that if you want to reach somewhere, if you want something good in your life, want to achieve something, then I want to really make you all understand that surround yourself with the people who really cares you, who really wants to see you enriched, who really wants to see you successful. Because it depends the kind of circle you choose. Just stick with the quality, be selective, be wise while choosing peoples.
Yes.
Real people stay even when you are not at your best. People will around you when you are happy, but when you're sad, tired, or struggling with something,
They leave you there alone.
nah, few will stay. Without any expectations are the real.
Yeah, I mean, few stays. So actually, that's the whole truth. TTK fake people would be there when you are having fun all together, but real people would be there when your life would be heavier. One more thing: real people would support for you, clap for you, cheer for you that loud that you could not be able to notice. Ki who didn't. That's the whole definition of real ones in your life, according to me.
आपने कभी नोटिस किया है जितने भी सक्सेसफुल पीपल्स होते हैं, what kind of people they sit with, what kind of people they hang out with. It's very important to understand कि आप जिन लोगों के साथ बैठते हो ना, हमेशा एक चीज याद रखना, वो ना 3 चीजों में अच्छे होने चाहिए. जिनके पास एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज्यादा है, या तो उनके पास नॉलेज है, या फिर दे नो हाउ टू मेक मनी फ्रॉम मनी. यू आर ऑफन द एवरेज ऑफ दोज पीपल whom you spend the most time with. ये हमेशा चीज याद रखना कि आप उन लोगों एवरेज होते हो जिन लोगों के साथ आप उठते बैठते हो. एक एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. 2 लोग हैं और दोनों लोग आर स्ट्रोलिंग इन द पार्क इन द मॉर्निंग जस्ट टू हैव अ वॉक. एक की जो स्पीड है वो अच्छी खासी है चलने में, और जो दूसरा है उसकी स्पीड थोड़ी धीमी है. तो पहले वो आता है धीमी स्पीड वाला उसके पास. जब वो उसके साथ रहता है, 95% क्या चांसेस हैं जिसकी स्पीड जो बहुत तेज है ना, वो अपनी स्पीड लोअर कर लेगा ताकि वो दोनों एक साथ चल सकें. आप जिसके साथ रहते हो, आप उसके साथ या तो कुछ ग्रो कर रहे हो या फिर आप अपनी खुद स्टेप बैक कर रहे हो. It's very important.
If you're going to connect with this line now, I mean, you can get a good learning from this line.
Don't be mean while choosing people. It's very important to choose people to very wisely.
It's better to be alone rather than being with fake ones.
Exactly. There is nothing bad about choosing the solitude, because rather than being with the people who stab you behind, or what actually matters for them is like what you can bring them to the table. So it's better for you to stay alone, or maybe having 2 or 3 friends is just okay. Don't be with a group of friends, क्योंकि भीड़ में सब चलते हैं, भीड़ के साथ जैसे चलना जरूरी नहीं है. You can choose your own path, you can choose your own circle, that what you actually matters for you.
At the end, you are the real one to yourself. We listen कि ठीक है, friends having fun banter with each other, then very sudden लोग को बुरा लग जाता है, तो कहते हैं कि दोस्त में मजाक चलता रहता है, पर वो मजाक तभी तक मजाक रहता है जब तक सामने वाला हंस रहा है.
The moment your friend starts feeling discomfort, it's not mazak anymore. Be cautioned about that.
Yes, exactly. You should be careful about the people's sentiments. That's what it means.
So guys, throw all the fake people into garbage and just be around with real ones.
That's all for today. Stay tuned.
Stay updated with us.
Keep spreading love
To our contents.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.